Hello treasures, hello my people. Today we are enjoying catfish barbecue or grilled catfish. So let me show you how I made this so that you can also make your own at home and enjoy. I started by giving a cut on the fish. I have a video of how I washed this fish and how I made dried fish with the some of the fish there, the catfish there, how to clean, how to wash and clean your catfish to be clean and not slimy. Then after that, I then gave it this cut or score on both sides so that we can massage when we marinate, sorry. When we marinate the fish so that the thing can enter inside very well. So give it a cut on both sides, but don't cut the fish into two. You can just see how I did the cutting or the scoring. So I'm going to grill two catfish, so I'll do that on the second fish also.
A sprinkle of time, a dash of peace, gentle notes like a summer.
After that, I used my kitchen towel to damp the fish so that I can remove the excess water on it so that the marinating can stand or stick to the fish. And then I have my ginger, garlic and the fish powder. That's what I'm using here. I'm spreading on this and I also massage it into the fish.
Breeze, chopping sounds in harmony, kitchen tune so heavenly. Soft piano keys like simmering stew, warmth in every melody flows through, rolling dough and stirring dreams, cooking life's most tender themes.
Next, I will also marinate the fish with this my fried pepper. This is a combination of scotch bonnet pepper, onions, tatashi and a few tomatoes. I just cut everything, fried it with some oil and seasoned it with salt and seasoning cube. And here we have it. So I'll spread it on the fish, massage it into the body very well, and then we cover it with foil and grill. Keep watching.
Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found. Steam rising like a piano sigh, golden crust, the soft notes fly, each corner dish, each key a spice, conjure kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon.
I told you I'm grilling two fish, so I'll do the same with the second one. I'll first of all damp the body, then spread the dry ingredients, which is the ginger, garlic and the fish seasoning powder. Then I will go ahead and also apply the fried pepper and tomatoes, which I showed you earlier on. And then we wrap it again, put the two of them in the oven and grill at 230 degrees Celsius, and I'll grill this for about 30 minutes before bringing it out again. And when I bring it out, I'll check it again, apply the pepper mix again, and then leave it open. This time around, I'm not going to cover it. I'll just put it again in the oven and allow it for about 10 to 15 minutes. And here we have our grilled fish. It is time to serve and enjoy my grilled catfish or catfish barbecue. Yes, I'm going to be enjoying this with some fried yam chips, coleslaw or salad, because this is a combination of just cabbage and the carrots, and then I'm adding some cucumbers to it, and this is it. You can enjoy this as your dinner. This barbecue or grilled catfish was so delicious. We couldn't even wait to eat it. In fact, they were already pinching on it before I could even take a pictures and show you people. So let's go and enjoy this. I hope you can make this at please home. If you do, send me a picture. Let me see how your own came out. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye
Whispering
bye.
flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices rare. A calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen with joy.